Did you know that every second across Ireland and the UK, an adult has an accidental fall that can be catastrophic? At Vertigenius, we are using technology to lead the way to better balance for these adults. 1 in 3 adults has problems with their balance, and 1 in 5 of you here today have likely got dizziness or vertigo that is problematic. Dizziness, vertigo, and imbalance arise as results of disease to the inner ear, or the vestibular system as it is medically known. This system keeps you balanced and orientated. Over 18 million people will get acute vertigo or dizziness this year. Moving their heads will worsen symptoms. They will avoid this, and this will prolong recovery. But there is a solution. A specialised form of physiotherapy known as vestibular rehabilitation is 80 to 90% effective in these problems. I've been treating these patients and researching in this area for over 20 years, and I know how technology is transforming rehabilitation and how vestibular rehabilitation methods are ripe for disruption. This is why my team and I have built Vertigenius, which is a unique medical device technology for these problems. It is 3 products in one platform: a clinician portal to manage patient, a wearable head sensor to track that crucial parameter of head movement, which I'm wearing, and an easy-to-use patient application. Vertigenius is already in a clinical study in a university hospital, and patients and therapists alike love it. So patients love it because it empowers them to do their rehab, puts treatment in their pocket, is easy to use, and they're getting better. Therapists love it because it quickly delivers and monitors the programs they have prescribed. At a click, they can change a program, see how their patient is doing, and they can do this remotely if necessary, saving them time and improving care. In short, Vertigenius is their digital assistant. The primary market for Vertigenius is the 283,000 physiotherapists in English-speaking countries. A target of 3,000 of these results in recurring annual revenues of 3 million. Our model is business to business with software as a service combined with a medical device. Vertigenius is a Class 1 medical device. It is fully HIPAA and GDPR compliant. We have 3 advantages over our competitors. 1, Vertigenius has been built by domain experts who are highly networked in the field. 2, we already have the support of key opinion leaders globally, with 98% requesting a trial. And 3, we have a unique, affordable, and validated wearable sensor. We're ready to launch Vertigenius onto the market in April or May 2021. And we're seeking to generate revenue immediately, and we're looking for seed investment of 500,000 so that we can be best in class to lead the way to better balance. Thank you.
Dara, thank you very much for your presentation. You're talking about an early launch of this product and raising seed capital, but how expensive is it going to be to launch this product profitably?
Well, we can generate revenue immediately because it's a software as a service, so people can onboard and pay fairly quickly. And the head sensors will be ready probably by May 2021 as well. So they will be additional chargeable revenue.
And who exactly will you be marketing this to? What is your audience going to be?
So physiotherapists are our customers, and audiologists as well to a certain extent, and doctors as well who are treating these patients. But predominantly it's physiotherapists that
How are you going
to
be able to reach them? How are you going to get to them, to sell to them?
Yeah, so our plan really is to launch within, it's a highly networked field, this field. So our plan is to launch in amongst the field, go to conferences, generate our customers that way.
Do you need perhaps the backing of somebody who's got experience in sales in this market?
Absolutely, yes. So we have a team of 4 of us at the moment. So we have a chief operating officer, we have a computer engineer, and we have an electronic engineer. So they're all looking after the tech and the science part of it. And then we will be looking to recruit sales and marketing over the next couple of months.
Is this a product that's aimed at people who already have had problems to try and help them monitor when further problems are going to develop?
No, it's for patients who actually are experiencing problems with balance or dizziness and vertigo. So as soon as their problems are diagnosed, we can start treatment immediately. It's a really successful treatment for these patients. So they can start on treatment straight away once they've got a diagnosis. And
you mentioned about the use of an app. Is that for the patients themselves to be able to use, or is that also linked to their clinicians?
So that when the patient does their exercise on the app, it links straight into the clinic. So the physiotherapist can see what the patient is doing, they can track. So there's a lot of fluctuation sometimes in these symptoms, and it's really important for us to see how the exercises we prescribe actually impact the patient if it makes them a little bit worse.
Okay, Dara, Thank you very much. Our 2 minutes are up. Thank you very much for your presentation.